First question, the Indian-Oman Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. India will get 100% duty-free market access on what percent of its tariff line in Oman? Right answer is 98.08%. Devinder Singh Garcha, who passed away in January 2026, was a member of the Indian hockey team that won the gold medal at which Olympic Games, Moscow 1980. With reference to India's fisheries sector, consider the following statement. It is the world's second largest producer of fish. Fish production increased by more than 106% between 2013-14 and 2024-25. Right answer is both options are correct. What is the target set by the Government of India for securities transactions tax for the financial year 2025-2026? 78,000 crore. Which organization developed the third generation man portable anti-tank guided missile that was flight tested at the KK रेंजेस DRDO? आपका होमवर्क क्वेश्चन है कि इसरो, DRDO, हाल और भेल का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे है, ये आपको कमेंट में बताना है. Who will preside over the standing committee meeting of the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth in New Delhi? Right answer is Om Birla. Prasar Bharati's new segment, Creators Corner, is aimed at strengthening which of the following? Orange economy. Orange economy रेफर करता है क्रिएटिव इकोनॉमी को. The National IED Data Management System inaugurated by Amit Shah maintains a comprehensive database of bomb explosion in India dating back to which year? Right answer is 1999. A full-scale scramjet engine was recently ground tested for a duration of more than 12 minutes by DRDL in which city? Hyderabad. Which state dropped the medal tally on day 4 of the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Tamil Nadu. The man portable anti-tank guided missile uses which of the following for target tracking? Imaging, infrared, homing seeker. Following the conclusion of the 28th CSPOC in India, the chair will be handed over to the Speaker of which country's House of Commons, United Kingdom? Prasar Bharati, India's largest public broadcasting agency, is a statutory autonomous body established under an Act of Parliament in which year? 1997. कब ये बना था? तो नवंबर 23 में बना था. ये याद रखिएगा इसको, 1997. Orange economy, recently mentioned in the context of Prasar Bharati's Creator Corner, is a term commonly used to describe which sector? Creative and cultural industries. In the context of defense technology, what does the scramjet engine primarily rely on for what? Combustion, distinguishing it from traditional rocket engine, atmospheric oxygen through supersonic airflow. The Dhyan Chand Award, which was conferred upon hockey player Devinder Singh Garcha in 2021, is awarded for which of the following? Lifetime achievement in sports and games. India is the world's second largest producer of fish. Which of the following terms is specifically used to describe the transition and growth of the aquaculture and fishery sector? Blue revolution. Which of the following Indian cities is home to the Defence Research Development Laboratory, a premier lab of DRDO, Hyderabad? The Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth aims to maintain and promote which of the following? Parliamentary democracy. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, the host of 2026 beach game, were formally merged into a single union territory in which year? Right answer is 2020. तो effective कब हुआ था? तो 26 जनवरी 2020 को. In the context of direct taxes, what does the abbreviation STT stand for? Securities Transaction Tax. Which of the following is the principal martial art form of the Indonesian Malay archipelago, which was also a key event in the Khelo India Beach Games? तो pancake silat. धन्यवाद.